It is indeed an honor to be here in the land of gold, Manipur. On behalf of Times Group, I would like to thank the state of Manipur and the Honorable Chief Minister, Shri Biren Singh, for this historic partnership of hosting a prestigious Miss India 2023 finale in the capital, Imphal. Manipur is blessed with a history of over 2,500 years, and it is an honor and privilege for us to host a finale in this beautiful state. Manipur is one of the leading Indian states in terms of gender equality and empowerment. Women in Manipur are a strong force behind its economy. The percentage of working women in the state is about double the national average. Manipur has given India a powerhouse of women in sport. E-khon, Saikom Mirabai Chanu, Kunjarani Devi, and Leshram Sarita Devi, to name a few. What more can Miss India, which celebrates women, ask for in a partner? The finale of the 59th edition of Femina Miss India will be historic, as it would be the first time ever this event will be held in the Northeast, and the credit for that goes to me. Through this partnership, our endeavor will be to capture the essence of this state as the backdrop to our finale. This association strategically complements the brand's objective of inclusivity and diversity, and that of Manipur's objective of reaching out to the nation as a destination of culture and beauty. I'm certain our audience this year will be mesmerized by glimpses of this beautiful state and feel proud that our true India resides beyond the big cities. A heartfelt thanks once again to Honorable Chief Minister Mr. Biren Singh for his vision, and to the State Tourism Department for choosing to partner with us. I look forward to being here this coming April to celebrate the crowning of our 2023 Miss India winner in Imphal. Thank you.